Part 2. Ministers' powers and advisory bodies. 3. It shall be lawful for the minister a. To promote the education of the people of Jamaica and the progressive development of institutions devoted to that purpose. b. To frame an educational policy designed to provide a varied and comprehensive educational service in Jamaica. c. To secure the effective execution of the educational policy of the Government of Jamaica. d. To establish a coordinated educational system organized in accordance with the provisions of this Act. e. To contribute towards the spiritual, moral, mental and physical development of the community by securing that efficient education shall be available to meet the needs of the island. 4. 1. Without prejudice to the generality of the provisions of Section 3, the minister shall have power a. To establish schools in such places as he may think fit and to determine the classification of such schools. b. To maintain or assist in maintaining schools, whether established by him or otherwise. c. To establish, maintain and assist in maintaining such teachers' colleges and other institutions as he may consider necessary for the training of teachers and to take such other action as he may consider necessary to ensure that the requirements for teachers in public educational institutions will be satisfied. d. To establish, maintain and assist in maintaining such technical institutions and training centers as he may consider necessary to fulfill the requirements for technical and vocational education. e. To provide or assist in providing such facilities as he may think fit for tertiary education. f. To provide, subject to such conditions as may be prescribed, such number of places in public educational institutions as he may from time to time determine. g. Subject to such conditions as may be prescribed, to render to any student or class of students such forms of assistance as may be necessary to enable such student or class of students to take full advantage of the educational facilities available. h. To provide for the grant of scholarships, exhibitions, bursaries and other financial assistance including loans for tertiary education. 2. Assistance to students under paragraph G of subsection 1 may include the provision of free places in independent schools, books and medical and dental service, and such other forms of assistance as the minister may consider necessary in any particular case. 3. For the purposes of this section, free places means accommodation in an educational institution allotted to students who, or whose parents, are by reason of the allotment exempt from any liability to pay fees for tuition in such institution. 5. L. There shall be established for the purposes of this Act a body to be called the Teachers' Service Commission. 2. The provisions of the first schedule shall have effect as to the constitution of the Commission and otherwise in relation thereto. 3. The Commission shall have such powers and duties as are specified in Part 5 or as may be prescribed. 6-1. The minister may from time to time establish such special committees as he may think it expedient to establish, for assisting him in an advisory capacity in the discharge of any of his duties under this Act. 2. Every special committee shall consist of such members as the minister shall appoint. 3. A special committee shall have such duties as the minister shall specify upon the appointment of such committee, and the minister may refer any matter to a special committee.